Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Oppo A53s. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got the box open. First you get the phone. It comes with a clear case with some paperwork inside. In the box you get your charging brick. You've got a pair of headphones in it and a charging cable. On the back of the box or on top of the phone, it says 4GB RAM plus 128 gigabytes, 5000 milliamp hour battery, 90 Hz Neo display, 18-watt fast charger, and it's powered by Android. Just gonna get the phone out of this protective stuff. I got the blue and silverish coloured one. You've got 3 cameras there and a fingerprint scanner, and it's USB-C to USB-A. And that's what it looks like on the top of the phone. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you have a really happy day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.